everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about 8 reasons to get a GoPro Hero 8 Black action camera. In this video, I'll be going over the features and functions of this camera and telling you about some specific reasons why you should consider getting one. Now, I recently got this and I love the features and functions of it, and there are 8 specific things that I absolutely am amazed by, and I love it so much. So let's get right into those 8 reasons. Reason number 1, 4K at 60 frames per second, okay? So just to put into perspective right now, what I'm recording this on right now is actually 1080p, and I believe I'm recording it at 30 frames per second if I can remember properly. This is 4K, which the resolution is unbelievably better than 1080p, and 60 frames per second. So if you're using it in an action scenario, you know, you're doing something really fast, it's gonna be a lot smoother. It's absolutely amazing. If you are doing some really actionable movements, this is a camera to consider. Reason number 2, it is so compact. Look at it compared to my hand. This thing is absolutely tiny, okay? Literally, you can fit this in your pocket. You can fit this in any pocket within any bag. So in your pants pocket, in your shirt pocket, in your little tiny side pocket in your backpack. Like, you can fit this anywhere. It is so small, you can literally fit it anywhere. It's unbelievable. And that's great also if you want to use it in terms of like recording something in a very confined space, like the inside of a computer tower. This is something you should consider. Reason number 3, it is extremely durable. I'm not going to go drop it now, okay? I'm not, I know I'm probably making you nervous. This is basically brand new. You know, I've only had this for a few days, but I'm also a drummer, and when I drum, I kind of throw my sticks and I spin my sticks all the time. So, you know, I'm pretty good at throwing things and catching them. That's why I feel comfortable doing that. But I do not recommend that you toss your GoPro like that, because eventually, you know, I would make a mistake and I would drop it eventually. So with that being said, it is really durable, because when you're using this in an action scenario, there's no doubt that, you know, it's going to get sort of tapped and hit. It might fall, right? But it's very durable to begin with. That's why I like it. Just looking at it, it looks durable. Just feeling it, it looks absolutely durable. Reason number 4, there are an insane amount of accessories. So literally, you can get so many accessories to pretty much mount this on anything, anywhere, in any situation. So if you can imagine where you would place this, you can probably find an accessory that would facilitate that. So like literally, you know, the sky's the limit. You have to obviously go and purchase the accessory separately, but if you're going to use the accessory multiple times, in my opinion, it's probably worth it, especially if you are using this camera for something business-wise in that sense, okay? And I have my notes over here. That's why I'm just constantly looking over here. Reason number 5, it has a front-facing camera info section. So just to make sure I'm staying on track, reason number 4 was the accessories. There's an insane amount of accessories, okay? And then after 4 is number 5. Reason number 5 is the front-facing camera, the front-facing info section. So there's a camera on the front, obviously. So this is what I consider front-facing. So this is a front-facing camera and the only camera, with that being said. This is the front-facing info section. It's a little screen. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the camera on, and I'll show you that it can display the information. So if you check out right there, it tells you basic information, which for the most part, with this camera, filming action stuff, that's all you need. You don't really need to frame it properly. Most of the time you're going to mount this somewhere, and you just need the information about what's happening, okay? Which is really convenient. With that being said, that brings us to number 6. We went over 5 just to keep on track. Front-facing info or information section with basic information about what's going on with the camera. Number 6, super bright rear screen. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap that right there. Look at the brightness of that screen. It's absolutely astonishing. There I am right there. Hello. The screen, the quality of the screen is fantastic. I mean, when I look at this, I can't believe that it's on such a small device, right? When I think about a screen this bright and this high quality, I think that it's going to be on a much larger device with a bigger motherboard and stuff. It's on such a small device, it's amazing. Reason number 7, quick to charge, okay? Now, this thing charges really quickly, and it also has a removable battery, so you can go ahead and get multiple batteries and just swap them out. The good thing is, like, if you swap out a battery, you swap out a dead battery in here for a charged battery separately, right? By the time that this battery runs out, the new battery that you put in here, the other one will more than likely be charged up at least a decent amount. So it's good because you can just continually keep working if you have a lot of recording to do. Last but not least is reason number 8. It is Hyper Smooth 2.0 Stabilization. So when you're using it and you are, going like this, it's going to stabilize it for you. And I did some sort of testing out where I was like, woo, going like this, and it really did a great job at removing the little jitters from it, right? So obviously it's not going to act like a gimbal, basically, where it's going to keep everything like completely level, but it will indeed remove all of the tiny little micro movements that you don't want to see, right? Which is good. So if I was holding it and I was just a little bit shakier, or if I was on it was on a car and the car was vibrating as it was driving, it's going to remove those little micro movements, which will make the picture look so much smoother. That's it. Those are 8 reasons to get a GoPro Hero 8 Black action camera. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.